So I got this screen protector for the S24 Plus and it is severely undersized. Yeah, you can see the lip there is, it doesn't cover the entire screen. So the top here is perfect alignment, but just the bottom side is like this. So what I did is to buy this kind of new Fandango screen protector thing. They got the self-cleaning thing and also self-applicator. And this thing is very affordable. I think it's about like less than 20 ringgit, which is super low in price. I don't really know how this works, but the video shows that once we put it on the phone like this and then pull this flap here, it will automatically quote-unquote clean the screen for us. So let's do it real quick. We rip this apart and then we shall clean the screen real easy. Cleaning procedure as usual, use the wet wipe, then use the dry wipe. And then we don't have to use the sticker to stick away all the dust because that thing is safe to clean it for us. So with everything clean, now I lay this on top. The frame matches perfectly for the S24 Plus. I didn't even use the sticker to clean everything. I can see dust on the screen right now. Let's see if this works. So I pull this. Oh! I don't really know what they use to actually absorb all of the dust. I presume it's static. So we press this down now. This is very reminiscent of the Spiegen's glass fitter installation. So we pull this. Make sure the screen protector is applied. Oh no, we need to pull this out. Yes. Take this out. And then at this corner here, we have to pull out the protective plastic film. And there's still a bit of bubble. Let me just iron them out. Bubbles have been removed, and as you can see here, the installation process is real simple. It takes less than like 2 minutes, and the entire installation process is real good. Everything is perfectly aligned, as you can see here. No gaps, no weird gaps, no nothing. Edge to edge, properly sized. And now let me just put it into the Pitaka case. And as you can see here, it looks magnificent. So yeah, this kind of screen protector, real affordable, really good in terms of what it can do for you. Of course, at the end of the process, you have this big piece of wasted plastic, but that's the cost of having this kind of installation, I guess. You can't really reuse this anyway. So yeah, that's it. Real quick video. Bye.